Mod?
Mullins.
Mullins?
Mower, okay.
Alright.
Got it.
And as far as the kitchen sinks go,
That's
Yeah.
okay.
I want the mower pictures where you can pull out the head,
Yeah.
with the head,
Yeah.
and you pull it out and you can rinse stuff off.
Yeah, no problem. Euro type.
Yeah, you're gonna need 3 of those, one for each unit.
Yeah, no problem. I suggested we put new towel bars in here too.
Do what?
New towel bars.
Well, the tile bar is just a red piece of shit. It won't even match.
And then it's the only one in here.
Yeah, there's only one.